Working with thermal label printers and received an EPL file? This is a label programming language used across the thermal printing industry. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you understand and work with these EPL printer command files. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common EPL Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. EPL files are printer command files written in Eltron Programming Language used to design and print labels on Zebra and Eltron thermal label printers. They contain text-based commands for defining label layouts with text barcodes, lines, boxes, and graphic elements with precise positioning for barcode labels, shipping tags, and product identification prints. EPL command files use ASCII text encoding with single character command codes, followed by positional and parameter values. Commands include A for text placement, B for barcodes, LO for lines and boxes, and GW for graphic placement. The N command initializes each label, and P triggers printing with optional copy count specification. Zebra Technologies defines Zebra Designer as the main handler for EPL files. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows shows what the settings are, but proper editing belongs to users who understand the configuration. Let's check the software compatibility matrix. Right-click your EPL file, then click Open with. Test Zebra Designer if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. This systematic testing is key. If your EPL file isn't cooperating, don't worry. If the EPL file has resisted the previous steps, we need to examine the source. Test the following 3 key failure points to determine the origin of the block. First, editing EPL commands. Open EPL files in any text editor such as Notepad++ to view and modify the label programming commands. Each line contains a command with XY position parameters and content specifications. Refer to the EPL2 programming guide for command syntax when modifying label layouts, text content, or barcode parameters. Next, sending to printer. Send EPL files directly to a Zebra or Eltron thermal printer through a raw socket connection, a serial port, or by copying the file to a shared printer queue in raw mode. On Windows, use the command copy, B file name, EPL large R computer ARM printer to send the commands directly. The printer interprets and executes the label commands immediately. Finally, testing with Labelary. Use the free Labelary online viewer at labelary.com to preview EPL label designs in your web browser without a physical printer. Paste EPL commands into the viewer and it renders the label layout visually. This is invaluable for debugging label designs and verifying barcode placement before printing actual labels. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.